What's up everyone, we have the unboxing of the Y72 5G, 8 gigabits of RAM, 128 GB of storage, 64 megapixel camera, and a 5000 mAh battery. Alright, so let's go ahead and dig in. Let's see what we have in the box. We got the back cover. Alright, this right here is the bad boy. Look at that. This right here, they call it the what? Dream Glow color. Y72 Vivo 5G. What else do we got? We got the 18 watts fast charge plug, a headsets, a Type-C cable. That's pretty much in the box. So let's switch it on and see how it looks. So for the cameras, 64 megapixel for the main camera, 8 megapixel wide, and the 2 megapixel macro lens. Yeah, nice cutout, nice camera cutout. Makes the design pop. You know, kind of blends with the color. Also, there's another color for this. Comes in black. And for the screen, 6.58 inches full HD plus IPS LCD. Alright, we got the fingerprint sensor side mounted in the front. It has a 16 megapixel selfie camera, Type-C USB. We got the audio jack right there, and a 5000 mAh battery that supports fast charge up to 18 watts. Bluetooth 5.1. We got other connections like NFC, and let's see what it packs inside. So we got a 2.2 gigahertz octa-core processor, Dimensity 700, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 GB, Android 11, and Vivo's own Fan Touch OS on top. Yeah, that's basically about the Vivo Y72 5G. It costs around $350. Yeah, so I think the price is decent enough for a 5G phone with this kind of design. So let me know in the comment sections what you think. I'll be checking out this bad boy for the next couple of days to see how it adds up. Alright, don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy again. Alright, peace.